It's been nearly a year since my last post on this channel, and I'm still unsure about the frequency, or if at all, I'll be posting videos here. However, there's a recent issue that has sent shockwaves through the world of indie game development, and I feel compelled to amplify the concerns we, as game developers, have regarding the recent pricing changes announced by Unity Technologies. I'm aware that my voice might not be the loudest out there, but I believe that every tweet, post, or video we create about this issue can influence the decisions made by Unity. For those who may not be familiar with the issue, Unity recently announced that they will start charging developers per download of their games with an income threshold of $200,000. Unity claims this won't affect 90% of game engine users. The truth is, they are technically correct. It won't directly impact most of us. However, there are several reasons why we should oppose this change. First and foremost, it's a breach of trust. I like to believe that as game developers, we form a tight-knit community. We share knowledge, resources, and even the products of our hard work, hundreds of high-quality assets made available for free. This community has thrived on trust and mutual respect. Unfortunately, it seems that the current executives at Unity have completely disregarded this fact. I do believe that their monetization efforts can be valid, but they should be built upon a common goal. From the very beginning, Unity's success has been intertwined with the success of indie developers. We've helped each other grow, and this change seems to signal a departure from that symbiotic relationship. It's disheartening to see Unity prioritizing short-term gains over the long-term health of its developer community. The second issue is that while 90% of us won't be directly affected by this change, the 10% that will have always played a special role in the Unity ecosystem. They are the driving force that keeps the Unity game engine commercially relevant. They are the ones who push the engine to its limits, creating groundbreaking experiences that showcase Unity's capabilities. These developers also play a crucial role in job creation within the Unity community, providing opportunities for other developers to hone their skills and make a living. For a long time, it was a common path for someone to start their journey as a hobbyist indie developer, tinkering with the free version of Unity, only to be later hired by a larger studio because they were already well versed in the very same software. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved, as it ensures a steady influx of fresh talent into the industry, while showcasing the versatility and power of the Unity game engine. Disrupting this delicate balance risks not only alienating this 10%, but also jeopardizing Unity's position in the industry as a whole. I know that many people, including myself, have spent years developing their Unity skills. Some of those skills are, of course, transferable, but others are more engine-specific. For many, these skills were their primary source of income. It's sad to watch people whom I admire as developers voicing their helplessness and emotional distress over this whole situation. It's sad to see a community betrayed. It will be sad to see this community fade